Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to open a demo account on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go and download MetaTrader 5 either from Play Store or from App Store. Now click on open, click on accept, and as you can see, we have here open a demo account. Click on open an account. Now we have here first name. Add your first name here. It can be anything. Add your second name, add your date of birth, and make sure it's more than 18. And we have here the phone number. It can be any phone number, it doesn't matter. So let's add this one, for example. And we have here add email. It can be any email. Just make sure you have arrobas and you have .com. And you can change the leverage from here. So I will keep it on 1 to 500. And we have here the balance on deposit. You can choose any balance you want. Then click on accept here and click on register. Click on done. And now, as you can see here, this is my demo account. Now click on chart. And as you can see here, this is your chart. Click on trade, and here you will see your balance, equity, and your free margin. And here you will see your history. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.